Don't toss papaya seeds. Try this next time. I'm using papaya and removing all the seeds. Then I'll transfer them to a paper towel. You can let them dry naturally for 3 days, or for a quicker method, oven dry until crisp. I'll let mine dry for about 3 days. Preferably in the sun, folks. See how dry the seeds are now? Perfect. Next, grind them in a mortar, crusher, or blender. I'm using my mortar and pestle here. After grinding, your papaya seed pepper is ready. It's delicious, spicy, and super flavorful. You'll save money by not buying pepper. Papaya seeds are also great for deworming. It's a natural remedy for you, pets, or family. Use it on salads, meats, or however you like. I hope you enjoyed this tip, everyone. Another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha for you. Big hugs. See you next time. And thanks.